Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making Panda Express inspired chow mein. Starting off with making the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of soy sauce, grated ginger, 3 cloves of garlic that are also grated, half a teaspoon of white pepper and a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then I'm going to mix it all together. In a heated pan, I have a small amount of peanut oil and I add a whole brown onion, 3 sticks of celery that have all been chopped up. I'll let them cook for a couple of minutes before adding the cabbage and the noodles. I add the sauce and let cook for a couple of minutes before taking off the heat and serving. For November, I'm making noodle dishes and posting shorts every day, so check out the playlist in the upper right. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.